Hey, good morning, guys. Hope you're having a great day, by the way. I just got on my run. Today's video, we're going to be going over Dogecoin, Jasmy, and we're going to end it with Bitcoin. Okay. Now, these are some of my top cryptos, and we need to understand them. And I want to break it all down for you in today's video. All I ask, guys, that you drop a like, you subscribe to the channel, of course, and let me know who your favorite NFL team is down below. Are you planning on watching football today? I know it's football Sunday, but make sure you get this video in before football begins in about 2 hours. All right, guys, so let's make this screen a little bigger, and let's first talk about Dogecoin, then we'll get into Jasmy, okay? So Dogecoin, we've recently been talking about this since here, right? We were talking about this. Now, I never bought below 6 cents, okay? But when I first started making posts on the Patreon and I think on YouTube, started talking more about Dogecoin, we were around this area, around 7 to 9 cents. And a lot of us caught this massive run. We took a little bit of profit, still holding majority of Dogecoin. And honestly, guys, I've added a ton more. I recently just put in about $5,000 right around this range, right around 10.3, 10.4. So right here, I threw in more money. And I want to tell you the reasons why I did that. So I hold a lot of Dogecoin. It's one of my top 3 holdings. And I'm excited. I'm excited for what's about to come. Okay. October should be a great month for crypto. November should be a great month. But let's talk about this falling wedge pattern right here. You can see this yellow trend line, right? So we're making lower lows, you can see, and higher lows. Okay. But here's the thing, guys. We just broke out of this trend line. Okay, so this is actually a very good sign. Usually what this means is it's time to start moving much higher. Okay, the other thing that you want to see is we've held this support right here, this line around 9 cents. Okay, now we're still under the 21 EMA, but that's totally fine. You can see before, this is also a falling wedge type pattern. You can see the higher lows and the lower lows right down here. But then what happens? We break out of it. And then we have this little run, we come back, and a massive run. The same thing could happen for Dogecoin, where we are breaking out of it, just like we did here. Okay, we had a green candle. Good morning to my kids. Okay, we had a green candle right here. Stochastic started to curl up. Stochastic is curling up. We can also see the RSI was around the same place, around 43, 44 on a weekly time frame. Very, very oversold levels. Got back above the 21 EMA, started to climb, pulled back, retested it, and then massive rally, right? This ran from 7 cents all the way to about 23 cents. Now, I think Dogecoin will have an even bigger rally on the next run. But these are some things why I bought more Dogecoin. It looks beautiful right now, guys. And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You probably shouldn't listen to me, right? You should definitely do your own research at the end of the day. I just want to share some strategies for myself, and I want to tell you exactly what they are, okay? So with this, you could see I would be looking to sell more when we get to oversold levels for Dogecoin. Honestly, when we start creating some negative divergence, which is right here, it formed, we had pretty much even double top on the RSI, but you could also say this is a lower high and the asset made a higher high. So obviously this looks very good right now. I'd be watching this next stack of volume. We have no volume in this area. We could have a massive rally all the way up to 15 to 16 cents, I would say, in the short term. Okay. You also want to start to study Fibonacci, but right now, guys, we're breaking out of this falling wedge. The stochastic is curling up. The RSI is curling up. October is right around the corner. November elections is right around the corner. So at this moment, please leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Where do you think Dogecoin is going? And also, guys, make sure you join the Patreon. On August 5th, I said Dogecoin has retraced to the last zone. This is on a huge stack of volume and at the 786 level. This has to be the bottom here around 8.5. Well, guys, I was wrong. It actually went as low as 8.1. On August 5th, we actually crashed down to 8.2, 8.1. Okay. I said 8.5, which was right here, right here, but we actually got down to this block of volume right here. So big deal. Still, the point is, and what I teach in my Patreon is understanding this stuff. If you would have bought on August 5th, you would be in the green right now. And it was the bottom. So we were absolutely correct. Now that you understand Dogecoin, let's move over to Jasmy. So Jasmy, again, same type of setup, except we have not broken this descending trend line like Dogecoin has. See, Dogecoin broke out of it. Jasmy has not. They're both under the 21 EMA, which necessarily is usually bearish, but we're actually making higher lows and we're starting to curl up. You can see we're actually breaking out of the RSI depressing downtrend that we've been in. You can see right here, which is a great sign. Stochastic is also curling up on a weekly time frame for Jasmy. So guys, this is just going to build some momentum. We're also on a big stack of volume here, and then we're going to start the uptrend here very soon. This is just my opinion. I really think this looks amazing. We also have a double bottom right here. You can see we have very strong support around $0.015. And this has been going down since June 2024. So July, August, September. So 3 months, guys, we're in a downtrend. It's time for this thing to break out of this, start making some higher lows. And then if we get any bullish news, this thing will run massively like it did here. I think this was like, actually, this was when the Apple news came out. We were at $0.015, and then boom, it ran to 4.4. Well, I think the news of just October historically being a great month, November elections around the corner. I think the stock market is about to pump. I think the crypto market is about to pump. And I think we're all about to make a ton of money if you're positioned in the right cryptos, right? And the right stocks. I do think, talking about real estate, it's funny because I live out here in California and I look at homes every now and then, and you could see all these homeowners are just dropping the prices by 20,000, 40,000. And I've been seeing it for months, and they're getting scared because they're not selling homes anymore. And with interest rates coming down now, I do think a real estate market crash is around the corner. I think it's going to be a big one. And then I think the stock market and crypto markets will follow. Now, I don't think this will happen for minimum at least 6 months, but I would be looking probably to start taking profits in my stock and crypto portfolios over the next 6 to 18 months. Okay, really probably for me, 6 to 12 months because I'm going to be conservative with it. But now is the time, guys. Now is the time to have conviction, do what you must, do always what's best for your family. And at the end of the day, guys, like only invest what you're willing to lose, because I could be 1,000% wrong. Everyone could be completely wrong on this cycle. And no one honestly really knows. But we can use charts. We can use news. We can use all the stuff we talk about to kind of analyze where is it moving next. But for Jasmy, I feel very good about it. You can see where we're probably going to get up into this range very soon. Just being my own opinion. Okay. So let's talk one more thing. One more thing, guys. With the Patreon, October 1st, prices are going up. That's in about 9 days. 9 days, okay? If you pay for the whole year, you get 12% off. Pretty amazing. There's some tiers for $7. Pay for the whole year, get asked to the Discord. There's only 2 spots left. If you want to start learning stocks and the charts, $8 a month. Pay for the whole year, get 12% off. It's less than $100 for the whole year. We got videos. We got the crypto tier, which is the most popular right now. $11 a month. Pay for the whole year, get 12% off. Again, then we have the wealth. If you want me to look into a crypto or stock for you, I'll do one each month for you. You could join this group right here, pay for the whole year, get 12% off. And then also if you want to Zoom one-on-one, we're making some changes here. So make sure you check that out. Now, as we look at Bitcoin, another thing, guys, if we look at the RSI, every time we break out from a descending, depressing down trend with the RSI, you could see Bitcoin rallies. We did it again here, broke out of it, rallied. Now, these 2 times we were above the 21 EMA. Actually, this one we broke below the 21 EMA, but then we got right back above it. So where are we at today? Well, again, you got to look at where we're at as an economy, and with everything going on, Bitcoin ETFs are being approved, Ethereum ETFs are being approved. So obviously that was sell the news type of events, right? And I think this has been down for so long that it's going to have a massive move very soon. All we need to do is we need to close above these 2 lines. We need to have a weekly or a daily candle close above these 2 lines. Now you could see, I don't know if it's going to happen today, guys. The weekly closes today. I think it'll be a very good sign if we can close Bitcoin above the 21 EMA, which as of right now, it's looking like it. But also you could see that it took a couple weeks. If we look here at these white arrows, when we broke out of this, we had a green candle, we had another green candle, and then it just started the uptrend. This was like a month right here. Right now, we just broke out of it. So we have one green candle, two green candles. So really the next 2 weeks or the next week, probably we could get above this, or over the next week to 2 weeks, we could reject this area and come back down. Now, me personally, I don't think that's going to happen just because we have broken out of the RSI downtrend like we have before. Okay. Also, the stochastic, if I pull this up for you guys, let me actually make this a little bigger. So you can see the stochastic is crossing over the blue line over the red, and momentum is moving up. So the question is, where are we at right now? This looks like a giant bull flag also. I found this new indicator from someone, I forgot their name, on YouTube, but a friend actually recommended the video to me. And this is a great indicator that we can start to use. Okay. You can see we tested this green line right here and we rallied higher. We tested the green line 2 times and we rallied higher. So for Bitcoin, it looks very good to me right now. Dogecoin looks ready to make a massive run. Jasmy looks great also. It just hasn't broken out of the downtrend. Okay. But this is just where we're at, guys. So again, let me know your thoughts out down below. And of course, I do have an affiliate link down below. I've recently partnered with Caleb and Brown. I would give them a shot, guys. Pretty amazing brokerage. Great ratings. You actually get your own personal broker. So if you have any questions at all about any cryptos, there will be a guy or a girl that will meet with you over Zoom, talk to you over the phone, message you back right away 24/7. That's a game changer, especially as the bull run continues. So give them a shot, throw in a couple $100, couple $1,000 if you want. You can open up your account for free. The link is down below. When I set mine up, it took me 5 minutes. So again, do your research, but I think this is a great company to be a part of. You could swap cryptos. There's no joining fees either. And it's safe and secure, which is also very important. A lot of us use Coinbase because it's all we know, but I do like Caleb and Brown. With that, guys, I hope you have a great day. Enjoy the weekend. We'll see you on the next one.